Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to unbox the Samsung Gear Fit 2. If you do not know what the Samsung Gear Fit 2 is, it's a smartwatch and a fitness band combined, because it has many sports related features and many smartwatch features which usually the smartwatches have. And as you can see on the bag, it has the GPS tracking, auto activity tracking, instant notification, music player, and auto HR tracking, which is the heart rate tracking. Guys, now let's start unboxing this. So guys, now let's take this out of the box, and here we go. So yeah, here it is, and let me just take it out of here. Let's peel off the sticker, and here it is. So here's how it works. So it has this heart rate over here. I have to remove the sticker later, and let's see what else we got with the band. I guess this is the charging. Okay, so here's the user's guide, user manual, quick start guide. Let's put this away. Here we have the charger. So this is the charging dock, and we just have to plug this in, and just put this like this. Okay, so guys, it's also magnetic, so if you can hear that, it doesn't fall out. So guys, now let's power this on. So guys, I guess it's not powering on because it's not charged, so let me just charge it and I'll get back.
A few moments later.
So guys, I just finished charging my Samsung Gear Fit 2. So now let's just power it on. So guys, as you can see, it just opened and it's telling me to install Samsung Gear on my phone. So Galaxy phones, you can download it from the Galaxy apps, but I'll just go and bring my iPhone and I'll just download the app. So guys, once you have opened the App Store, you have to go to the search bar and search for Samsung Gear Fit. So I already have that installed, and now I'll just open it. So guys, now that I launched my Samsung Gear Fit app, it's telling me to turn my Bluetooth on, so let me just do that. So guys, I just opened the app and it's telling me that the gears are spotted nearby, and I have to pick the gear that I want to connect to. So here's mine, Gear Fit BD26. Let me just connect to it. So guys, it just told me to accept my pair request, so let me just accept it. So guys, let's just agree to all, and let's see if it sets up. I just got this notification which says keep Samsung Gear Fit app running. If your gear disconnects from your phone, it should reconnect automatically. If not, open Samsung Gear Fit and connect automatically. Okay, so swipe left for widgets. So this is just the tutorial. Swipe right for the watch face, swipe right for notifications, press back key to go back. Okay, so swipe edge down for status info. Okay, so here it is. Oh, press home key. So this is cool. Cover the screen to turn it off. Let's just do that. Try again. Okay, so it just turned off. All done. Enjoy your gear. So guys, here at the front of the app you just see the battery, and it tells you the tips to save your battery. And here's Samsung Health, and here are the featured watch faces. So I can download various different watch faces from the app. Let me just choose this one and let me press install, and it will tell me to sign in. Let me just sign in and I'll get back to you. It's just downloading the watch face. So here it is, installing Wingman. So here's how you can install watch faces from your phone. So let's go and explore more of this. So guys, here we can also block notifications like this, and if you have any apps that you want to block, you can receive notifications. You can enable this. You can also enable this to turn on the gears screen when you get new notifications. And you have auto show details. You have the notification indicator, which shows that orange dot on the watch face. And here you have apps. So this is the apps layout. This is how your apps will be. So you can just change the layout. You can also remove the apps if you want to. And here's the individual app settings, like the weather. So you can change the unit into Fahrenheit, and you can change the auto refresh time. You can also turn this off or on. I'm just going to enable it. Here's auto update apps. So I'm just gonna keep that for using Wi-Fi only. App update notifications. So if you have any updates on any of your apps, you'll get the notifications. And here's the uninstall watch apps. You can uninstall apps, uninstall watch faces from here. And let's go to the gear music manager. So here's how you can get music to your gear. I'm not going to do that now. Here's find my gear. So if you have lost the gear or something, you can just come and find it. Here's the Samsung Health and Samsung Galaxy apps. So here you can see the floors. Here you can see your water intake, your caffeine intake, your daily steps. You can see your time, your sleep, your heart rate, your walking, running, cycling, hiking data. You can also check the battery, about gear. You can back up and restore the legal information, your Samsung account. And here's about your Samsung Gear Fit. So I guess you can update it from here. And yeah. So guys, now that we have set up the Samsung Gear Fit 2, let's just explore it a little. So let's go to settings, display, and let's change our watch face. So let's set it to fitness summary, or let's just stylize this. So tap screen to change styles, colors, or complements. So here's the design. I guess I'm gonna go with the first one actually. Let's change the color. I'm gonna change it to blue. Let's see if we have, let's just change it to blue. Okay, let's change the steps to floors, to heart rate, to water, to caffeine, to battery, to the weather. I think I'm gonna go with the battery, and let's just set it. So let's go back and display, watch always on. I don't want to do that. Notification indicator, we can change the brightness from over here. Let's set it to 3. Screen timeout 15 seconds. I'm gonna change that to 30. You can change the font from here, but I'm not gonna do that. So here's vibration, long buzz for calls and notification, and here's how you can enable or disable vibrations. This is the device. Double press home key. So if you double press the home key, it's gonna, let's just set it to heart rate, and the wake up gesture is on. Let's go to connections. I have my Bluetooth on, and here's how you can scan a Bluetooth headset and connect it. And here's the Wi-Fi, I have it on. Alerts, the location, screen lock, I have it set to pin. And here's the power saving, here's the profile, health nudges, gear info. You can update it from there. Let's just set it to power saving, enabling power saving. So here's the power saving mode, and you can't do much with it. You just have a grayscale mode type of thing, where it only tells you the floor, the steps, and the calories, and you can turn it on from here. Disabling power saving. So that's how you do it. Okay, I'm back to the normal mode, and I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. Guys, this was the unboxing and setup of the Samsung Gear Fit 2. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.